What's up, everybody? It's Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Thought I'd do a little startup and test drive of the 2015 Lexus GX460, but I'm just now noticing looks like has a low tire, but maybe that's just from the angle I'm standing at. I don't know. I need to check it out a little closer. This is just an update video. Not much has changed. We'll do a mileage check. Nally of Galleria. We'll do a mileage check. We'll take a little drive. Man, she is shining. I washed her and detailed her about 3 or 4 months ago. That's how little this baby gets driven. It just doesn't get driven. It don't get driven much. Oh yeah. Let's get ready for our COVID. We got our Lysol wipes. We've got our rubber gloves. Got my water. As you can see, everything is just so mint in this car. There's your descent control and all-wheel drive switches, your heated and cooled seats. Let's do a cold start. See what's going on back here. Probably not much. Place for the dog to sit. I mean, this car still smells new. Got your heated seats back here and your climate control. This thing's a spotless truck to be 5 years old. I mean, it's just never driven. It just sits right there. It just sits right there in that garage. Let's do a cold start. Okay. How many miles we got, folks? 13,508. Whoop-de-whoop. The service was due September 13th of last year at 17,000 miles. Nowhere close to the freaking miles. And way past the date. Way fucking past the date. Oh, Lord. Why would you have a car like this and never drive it? I mean, it's just so comfy. Hello. It's just so freaking comfy. Why would you never drive this thing? They are, my aunt and uncle, they just got back from looking at trucks, test driving Fords over at the Ford dealership. They were getting my input on Ford F-150s with EcoBoost. I know the early EcoBoost was not that great, had some issues. I'm not real sure about current EcoBoost. I need to do a little research on that. But they're trying to get a replacement for the white GMC Sierra that was totaled last month. Anyway, everybody's out walking their dog and letting the kids play and doing their thing. So yeah, 13,508 miles on a 2015 model. Seriously? That ain't no miles. That's about 2.5 oil changes. Loving the new camera, the new Samsung S20 Ultra. The phone is heavy as hell. God, it's heavy. But it's big. which I'm not crazy about that either, but I think the camera quality is worth that. But then I heard about this new iPhone SE that's coming out that's supposed to have the camera of the 11, the guts of an 8, I believe, but the body of a 6 or a 7 one, I can't remember. That kind of interests me, because all I'm after is really just a good or better camera than what I have. Okay, this is just kind of like a 50% throttle. Smooth as silk. Oh yeah, I got flat spots on the tires. Oh my Lord, they're awful. It's a good thing I'm getting her out here on the open road a little bit. Let's get these flat spots off. I'm going to be quiet and we're just going to listen to this baby hum at about 65 miles per hour. I'm going to close the sunroof shade to eliminate any extra wind noise. And let's just ride. Lights just automatically came on as the sun is starting to set behind us. Man, I'm glad they're paving this road. This is my route to work every morning. They paved this lane today. This was not here this morning. They paved this entire stretch today. Glad to see it. Uh-oh, there went our Lysol. A little freeway jaunt. I don't believe I've driven this one on the freeway. on silk. Silk. Velvet. Jeez. What a sweet engine. Good Lord. This thing is so sweet. I mean, you would never, ever think this thing was an off-road beast. This is like a Rolls Royce. I mean, I'm going almost 90. Hell, I'm literally not even trying. I'm just barely breathing on the gas pedal. And the damn thing is just, it just wants to fly, man. Golly. Yeah, 90, this big old box is turning about 2,400 RPM. Golly. Now, the gas mileage probably sucks, but I'm barely touching the gas pedal. Jesus. This is a cruiser, man. Just going to exit off right here and try and keep this video shortish. Trying to keep them around 10 to 12 minutes. People get bored. I hope everybody's doing okay, taking care of themselves, looking out for each other. Wear your mask if you gotta get out. Stay the hell away from people, 6 feet at least. But just, you know, be smart. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. We had a lady, her husband was diagnosed or he had just been released from the hospital from recovering from it, I believe, and they came in the damn Walmart. I mean, who the hell does that? It created a small riot. The police were involved. I mean, stay the hell home, especially if you've had symptoms, whatever. Don't go to freaking Walmart. But anyway, y'all take care. Have a good night. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.